Hello everybody, I'm Swami here. It's been a long time I'm uploading video, and quite long time people are asking me about to upload videos related to SAP interviews and questions and answers. So I'm uploading this video. So apart from asking you, tell me about yourself, we are going directly into the interview, technical round. So I'm just telling you how to attend the interview and how to face the interview SAP related to SAP SD questions. Okay. First question, they may ask you about what is SAP SD OTC cycle. First of all, what is OTC cycle? OTC cycle is nothing but order to cash cycle. Okay, that starts with inquiry and ends with the billing. Okay, so what is inquiry? So when they ask you in depth, just tell them separately what is inquiry, what is quotation, sales order, delivery, and billing. OTC cycle is nothing but inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, and billing. If they ask you about inquiry, just tell them what is inquiry. Okay, what is inquiry now? It's customer walks in and inquires about the product. So that is inquiry. So we are going to systemize it. That is inquiry. Based on the inquiry, when they ask you about the quotation, we are going to give them the quotation. That is pricing. So which includes pricing, dates, and quantity. So for the quotation. So when they approve the quotation, we are going to give them the order confirmation. So what is order confirmation? Sales order. Sales order is the order confirmation. When they ask you what is sales order, just tell them which is an order confirmation which has header data and item data. Okay. When they ask you what is header data, tell them customer related data. So when they ask you what is item data, just tell them material related data. Okay. What when they ask you what is material related data, so then just tell them quantity and schedule lines date. Okay, date and confirmation, quantity and across against confirmed date. Okay, confirmed quantity against confirmed date. That is schedule lines. Okay, and then they may ask you what is delivery. Delivery is nothing but delivering it to the customer. And when they ask you in depth about what is delivery, just tell them pick pick and post goods issue. Okay, and then billing. So in delivery they may ask you what document gets created, and then you just tell them upon delivery material document gets created and accounting document gets created. Okay, the so as billing also, when they ask you what document gets created, billing document gets created and accounting document gets created. Okay, this is what SAP OTC cycle is all about, order to cash cycle is all about. Okay, next question. So this is very important and commonly asked interview question. Okay, customer consignment. They may ask you what is the process. They may ask you the definition first. So at that time you just tell them the definition. So what is the definition of customer consignment? Goods lying in company's premises under the ownership of customer. Okay, sorry, goods lying in customer premises under the ownership of the company. Upon consuming by the customer, it will be billed to the customer. Okay, upon consuming by the customer. For example, so we are the company, Tata company is there, its customer is Reliance. Okay, we are going to keep the material in the Reliance premises, and now upon consuming the material by the Reliance, it will be billed to the Reliance. Okay, that is the customer consignment. So four processes are involved. So when they ask you the process, just tell them the process. First is consignment fill-up, consignment issue, consignment returns, and consignment pickup. Okay. So what is consignment fill-up? So Tata is keeping the material in the Reliance. So that is consignment fill-up. Okay. Issue is Reliance is consuming the material. So that is issue. Now Reliance don't want that material. So it is returning back to the Tata itself. So that is consignment return. So now we are going to pick it up. Tata is going to pick it up. So that is consignment pickup. Okay. They may ask you what is the movement type for consignments. You can say like 631, 32, 33, and 34. Okay. And the next question they may ask you is what is the item category? of the consignment fill up, issue, returns, and pickup. You may tell like KBN, KEN, KRN, KAN. So you have to by heart this item category. And schedule and categories also they may ask you. Okay. E0, E1 for fill up, C0, C1 for issue, D0, D1 for returns, and F0, F1 for pickup. Okay, these are all the most commonly asked question about consignment. Okay, shall we go to the next question? Returns delivery. First, they may ask you what is the process. So now, upon doing this OTC cycle like inquiry, quotation, order confirmation, delivery to the customer, and billing, now customer is returning back the material to the company itself. So what we have to do is we have to create a returns order, RE, which is RE billing. Now we have to do delivery, that is post goods receipting, GR. So inside the company, we have to pick up the material and put it in our plant. Now we have to do credit memo. So that is the process. They may ask you, and then the next question they may ask you, what is the returns delivery movement time? So you have to say like 651 is the standard movement time. Okay, that is returns delivery. Next question they may ask you is rush order and cash sale. This is very, very important. In every interview, they may ask you what is the difference between rush order and cash sale. Both are same. Cash sale is best example is grocery shop, where we give the money, get the material. Okay, rush order is we don't have to give the money, but the delivery will be happening immediately. But the payment to the customer, payment from the customer will be happening later point of time. Okay, that is rush order. So accounts receivable will be happening later point of time in rush order. But cash sale, immediate cash, immediate delivery, immediate billing. So the first question is they may ask you when you create sales order, what will happen? Upon creating the sales order, delivery will be created. Delivery document will be created in both the cases, rush order and cash sale. Delivery document will be created, same process, but the receivables will be happening later point of time in rush order. So that is the major difference between rush order and cash sale. And the next question, mostly they may ask you more very, very important questions. They may ask you movement type. Movement type questions are very, very important. Standard movement type is 601, standard sales order 601. Okay, returns they may ask you 651. Consignment movement types they may ask you 631, 632, 633, and 634. Okay, these are all most commonly used asked questions in interview in SAP SD. Thank you.